already prepped my skin, so I'm going to start with this illuminating strobe cream. This illuminating strobe cream is too good. It gives you a glowy, dewy finish. So before starting my makeup, I'm applying this lip oil from kbeauty. Next again, I'm using this kbeauty 2-in-1 cushion foundation and compact powder. So if you want to know more about this cushion foundation quality, then do check my kbeauty haul. I'm going to mention the link on my description box. So I'm applying the foundation all over my face with this puff. So now I'm using this brightening concealer and applying it under my eyes, around my mouth and around my nose. So first I'm going to blend the concealer with this brush, and then I'm going to use a damp beauty sponge to blend it all together. So now I'm using this kbeauty compact powder to set my base. And now for eye makeup, I'm using this light brown shade from this palette and applying on my eyelid. And I'm just going to blend it very nicely all over my lid. And now I'm using the same shade and applying it on my lower lid. And now quickly I'm going to add a shimmer shade on the center of my eyelid just to give that bright pop. And now for eyeliner, I'm just going to draw a very thin line following my lash line. And now for drawing aegosal, I'm using this brown pencil and I'm just going to squint my eyes just to find out the under eye fat, and then I'm going to draw it. And now I'm adding highlighter in between the aegosal and the lower lash line, and also a little bit on the inner corner of my eyes. And now I'm filling my eyebrows. And now for blush, I'm using this kbeauty cushion blush and I'm applying it on my cheeks, on my nose and also a little bit on my chin. And now I'm going to contour my nose just to define them. Adding highlighter on the tip of my nose and also some on my cheeks. For lipstick, I'm using this nude pink shade. I'm just applying the lipstick in a tapping motion. And lastly, I'm applying mascara.